volcano time. Okay, so the only thing I did forget accidentally is plastic cups. So I'm going to use one of our old shaker bottle cups, and we're just going to use it because we don't use it no more. And the next thing you need is you're going to need your baking soda, and you're going to need vinegar. Okay, so then we're not going to forget our dish soap, which keep in mind that regular Dawn dish soap does usually work best, as with anything you're doing. But I just happen to have one of my favorite ones, which is just Palm Olive Soft Touch Almond Milk and Blueberry scent. So I guess if anything, it's just gonna smell good. But we need just a little bit of dish soap, so about like a teaspoon. And then you're gonna need your paints. So anyway, you got your bright pinks, your yellow, another pink, a nice teal color, a red. So you're gonna want a little bit of paint to make it more fun. Yeah, you're gonna need about 8 ounces to start of vinegar, and you're gonna need that much for each eruption that you're doing. So let's get started. Alright, so we are gonna want to fill the cup a little under halfway full. A little under half maybe, and a little bit more wouldn't hurt. Alright, so it says about 3 to 4 tablespoons of baking soda. No, I usually just guesstimate in any directions. So we'll put some in here. Alright, here we are all ready, and we have the water and the baking soda and the dish soap. The only thing we haven't added yet, so we can get ready to stir, is the paint. And Grayson picked what color?
I want this.
Yep, you picked pink, right? Go ahead and put it in there. Yep, keep putting some in there. We'll make it pretty. It'll be pretty.
Can I put it in there?
Yeah, put some pretties. Alright, that's good. Now we gotta stir it. Okay, we're gonna stir it really good. If you want Mommy to help you, just say so. Really good though, okay? So we have built the mound here, and we put it right in the middle, right? Like a little volcano ready to go. Right? It's really pretty pink.
I want to do this.
We've mixed our ingredients, and Grayson's locked and loaded with the vinegar. So Grayson, go ahead and get ready to pour it in. Are we ready?
Yeah.
For volcanoes to happen? Woo! You did it! What do you think? Is it pretty like you thought? Alright, is there more in the bottle? Let Stella do the rest. Let Stella do it. No. Here. Stella will do the rest because it'll go more. Oh, you used quite a bit. We'll do another one. Look at that. Did we do it? Did we do it, Grayson?
Yeah.
High five. High five. What are we going to write on the board today?